So, have you ever sat in front of a classroom and then wondered, why am I even learning this? You're not crazy, right? Because the truth is, our education system was designed for a world that doesn't really exist anymore. Back in the 1950s, schools were basically set up like mini factories. Students in rows learning the same subjects the same way at the same pace. Why? It's because the world needed factories, and the world needed factory workers. They needed people who could follow instructions, do repetitive tasks, and keep the machine of industry moving. And for that world, it worked really well. If you could show up on time, follow the rules, and stay consistent, then you had job security. But if you fast forward to today, that world doesn't exist anymore. Factories aren't hiring millions of people the same way. Technology has taken over most repetitive tasks. We're living in a world that is digital, that is AI driven, and the skills we need now are completely different. We need creativity, problem solving, adaptability, and knowing how to work alongside technology. The winners today are not the ones who memorize the most. It's the ones who can think differently. So why doesn't the old model fit? Here's the problem. Our education system is still trying to prepare people for a world of stable, repetitive jobs. It's like wearing clothes from the 1950s in 2025. They just won't fit anymore. We need an education system that evolves, that teaches us how to learn fast, how to adapt, and how to use AI to multiply what we can do, because the world is changing too quickly for old methods. You don't have to wait for the school system to change. You can take control of your own learning. You can pick up AI tools today. You can experiment and learn skills on YouTube, take online courses, or even just start asking better questions. Education isn't about sitting in rows anymore. It's about creating your own path, one that fits the world we're living in now. So here's my challenge for you. Stop thinking of education as something that ends with a certificate. Think of it as a lifelong skill, powered by the tools we have today, especially AI. We're at a point in history where we can redefine what learning means. And if you embrace it, you won't just survive this new era, you'll thrive in it.